Okay, so first we're gonna lower the missile system and then go through a startup procedure. Actually, we'll probably do a startup procedure first just to get it warmed up. So as we're gonna crawl down in here. Okay, so over here we have an electric lift pump that's been wired in aftermarket. Flip that guy on. Some ticking that comes from the back. Then press this big red button here. It does a big relay. And then primary power here. See some stuff wiggles around and such. So now we're on. Now, I think we're gonna choke it down here. Pull the air out. Okay, actually, this one here, sorry, the left one. The left one's choke right there. This is actually a sort of a throttle set. And then we're just gonna hit the starter button. Use the gear, clutch it in. So she fires up, don't give it any gas. Just let the choke do its thing. Once it starts to choke, just push it back off a little bit. Just let her sit for a second, and out of luck. Oh, she's out of gear. We're good. Now, this one, hear that, that's the hydraulic pump running, so it's doing its thing. So, we're gonna go ahead and lower the the turret. Drop the seat back here so I can get in here a little easier. There's two things. This one centers it, but it's already centered, so left, right. Okay, this one here is gonna lower the missiles, but we gotta open the door first. To open the door, we run this one. So you push in on it. Doing it in the right direction. Yeah, so that's coming down there. So just keep spinning this guy here. There, and that'll open the trap door up there. This is real good. So get it right in the ways. And push the choke off now. So now it's down to low idle. You kind of got to push in on this handle, otherwise it'll overrun. When that guy there comes all the way back, you know you're good. So this guy's in the full back position. That's the full up position. Now we can lower the missiles into the chassis. So take this one and we run it. I gotta make sure I got everything right here. Is that right? Yeah, that's right. I got that right. Centered. Ah, wait, I gotta finish that one. I think I gotta move that guy right there first. Turn it over here. One of them locks it in the up position. So. Let me get this guy right here. I gotta pull it towards me or something to get it on a lock here. 1 second, set this here. Yeah, I got it kind of. Okay, and you gotta get just the amount of pressure off of it. There we go. Little release. There we go. Now, the missiles can be lowered. And I'm gonna run this guy. Run, here he goes. See the missiles are starting to drop in now. Right there. A lot of spinning. Again, I'm not 100% sure why they won't electrically lower. It's just kind of annoying, to be honest. But I'm sure it's something I'm doing wrong. Alright, so the center. Look overhead here. Not as slow as they go right there. And then we spin this guy again on the other direction to lower the door. Okay. Alright, door's lowering up there. Almost sealed, I think. There we go. So then, look back out. And sure enough, the missile door is closed and stored. Okay, well now, pull it out of the garage. Spin around, pull our seat back up, clutch in. Okay, so parking brake here, off. There's labels here for kind of four-wheel drive and low and all that funness. I'll go through these hydraulic connections over here in a second. Up here is your shifting guide, so it's kind of confusing, but first, it's basically straight back here by me, right here. And that'd be second, third, fourth, and then way over here, up high, is reverse. So, go to first, and normally what I pull out in. Oh, actually gotta get it in first. That'll be important. There. Now she's in first. Sure I missed my garage door because she's pretty wide. All good. Got out of first now. We're gonna go park her over here for a second and put the shoreline back in and put this guy back in after. Okay. Back in, parking garage, brake set. I'll get back in here and do a reverse video in a second.